Hi, I'm Sam. With some stock markets hitting record highs despite certain world events, here are 5 reasons I buy index tracker funds. Before I begin, an index tracker fund is an investment vehicle that aims to mirror the performance of a particular market index such as the FTSE 100 or the S&P 500. The main purpose is to provide investors with broad market exposure, diversified risk, and a performance that closely matches the index. Now let's begin. Number 5. Your investment portfolio is instantly diversified. This means that you are buying into a range of companies, reducing your risk of your investments being exposed to just 1 or 2 industries. For example, as we are seeing at the moment, the share price in oil companies has been on the increase, whereas aviation companies have seen a drop, due to fuel costs and concern around travel. Number 4. You only have to buy one investment to buy into a range of companies. You save money from having to make individual trades, if you were to buy these companies separately. As well as this, because index tracker funds simply track a particular stock market, they are not actively managed by a fund manager, so are considered a low-cost investment. Number 3. You don't need any investing skill or knowledge. Because the investment simply tracks the overall market you have invested in, there is no need to spend time researching individual stocks. Number 2. Over time, the stock market has a proven record of going up, and therefore growing wealth. In fact, if we look back from 2020 to 2025, we can see some extremely good gains in the S&P 500. This is despite some economic uncertainty during this period due to COVID. Finally, at number 1, billionaire Warren Buffett believes this type of investment is the best, whether you are a beginner or an expert. In fact, Buffett once made a $1 million bet with a stockbroker firm, believing that the S&P 500 index would outperform a selection of actively managed stocks over 10 years. This highlights Buffett's critique of high broker fees. Buffett won the bet decisively, demonstrating the effectiveness of low-cost index funds. So those were the 5 reasons I invest in index tracker funds. If you enjoyed this video, please take the time to like and subscribe, as it really encourages me to make them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.